Welcome to 2566 Sylte Court in Gulf Breeze, Florida. This is a 5-bedroom, 4 full bathroom home. Very spacious open floor plan at almost 3,400 square feet. As you can see, we have some under eave lighting for nighttime ambiance, as well as gutters on the exterior. Freshly mulched here and beautifully landscaped. This house is also on a cul-de-sac, so no through traffic here, and just steps away from the neighborhood park here in the neighborhood of Grand Pointe, which also has sidewalks, which is a wonderful feature. Not too many neighborhoods here in the Gulf Breeze area actually have sidewalks throughout the neighborhoods. So coming in, you can see we have a nice open spacious floor plan with high ceilings. This formal dining space on the left-hand side is suitable for seating for 10, possibly 12. So if you have a large table or if you're an entertainer, this is definitely a great choice for you. We have a built-in bar area with wood cabinetry and a granite countertop for some additional storage space, as well as a beautiful built-in entertainment center with a gas fireplace, crown molding throughout as well, and beautiful hardwood floors throughout the main living area. Cascading sliding glass doors that open to the outdoor pool area, and I will take you out there in just one second. Open floor plan here, flowing nicely into the kitchen with a bar top suitable for seating for 6. The large breakfast nook can also house a table with seating for 6. Plantation shutters throughout the home as well. Just so much natural light coming in through all these windows here on the back side of the house. Into the kitchen, we have beautiful granite countertops here. Island with a gas cooktop, fridge with an ice and water dispenser. We do have an ice maker as well, with a wall oven and a bread warmer with a built-in desk. So very functional kitchen here with lots of storage space. And we do have our pantry here onto the right-hand side with a pocket door for some privacy if you're having an intimate dining party in your dining room there. Pocket doors here just off the main living space. This would be a great office, home office, in-law suite, whatever your needs may be here. It does in fact have a closet and a bathroom over here. This is a half bath that goes to the pool. We also have some additional storage as well. So nice bathroom over here, just off the pool. So you're not tracking back in through the house there. On the left-hand side of the house, we have the other 2 bedrooms that share a Jack and Jill bath. So just through here, we have a bedroom on the left. Again, recessed lighting throughout the home as well as blinds. We do have carpet in the bedrooms. Ceiling fans in all the bedrooms as well. So here is our Jack and Jill bath. We have some additional storage space in the middle, posing as a linen closet and towel closet. Water closet for some additional privacy, as well as a shower tub combo here. So 2 doors giving for a little bit of privacy if 2 people are utilizing this bathroom here. Into the second bedroom on this side. Really nice size bedrooms here. You can definitely get a king size bed in all of these bedrooms. Just off these 2 bedrooms is the laundry room with some additional storage and storage closet as well as a utility sink. I did want to show you the garage. It's an extra deep garage, so it's always nice if you have a bigger vehicle, you can definitely get that into the garage here. Some wire shelving for additional storage, as well as these 2 large storage closets. So really lots of storage in this house. All right, now I'm going to take you onto the opposite side of the house. where we have the master suite and one more additional bedroom. So this would be the bathroom that your guests would use. We also have a walk-in shower. So this is a travertine bathroom over here. Travertine flooring and shower. And we also have a pocket door from this bedroom that goes directly into this bathroom for convenience as well. This bedroom is located on the front side of the home. So this is a true 5-bedroom house that you can use. And into the master suite here, we have a wonderful dressing area with a 3-way mirror. And into the master bathroom, we have a large jetted tub here, as well as a water closet, his and her vanity, as well as a walk-in shower with glass door here. So lots of countertop space in this bathroom as well. Very spacious master bathroom. Just in between here, we have his and hers closet. Both walk-ins with plenty of storage. Both pocket doors too going into these closets. And right here into the master, we do have a tray detail ceiling in the master suite here. Very spacious master bedroom with your own private access to the covered lanai here. And I will take you out there in just one second to show you the backyard feature here. So wonderful master suite here. Again, recessed lighting throughout this home, as well as surround sound. Let me take you out here into the backyard. So we did have a little bit of damage to the screen. We're in the process of getting someone out here to go ahead and replace that. There are 3 squares that are missing, but that will be all taken care of here very shortly. We're on the books to get that handled, as you can see. Very nice spacious pool with a waterfall water feature. Covered lanai. Again, we have that half bath over there, as well as an outdoor storage closet. Outdoor mini fridge and bar area. So we actually have a very spacious yard here, being that it is on a cul-de-sac. I'll take you out here to the side yard and give you a peek at that. Located just next to the storage here, we do have an outdoor shower as well, with a double gate on the side, on the left-hand side of the house. Excuse me. So if you have dogs or kids that like to play in the yard, you do have the screened enclosed pool area, as well as plenty of additional yard space. Very spacious backyard, fully fenced backyard with a privacy fence. This tree here is in full bloom. Back into the screened enclosed pool area. I'll take you back inside and give you one last look at the main living area. We're about 4 miles away from Pensacola Beach here, so very convenient. If you have anybody who'd like to see it, or you'd like to set up a private showing, we would love to set up a showing and do that for you. Walk you through the kitchen one last time. And let us know if you have any questions about this one.